Hey friends, it's me Stace. Today we're doing an unboxing from BeeBeeCrafts. I have some stamps and some dies. I'm going to open these up, we're going to have a look at them, and then figure out what we want to make. So let's find the opening here. Now we have all these listed below. I believe there's no name on these. Let me check. I don't see a name on here. Alright, so we have, let me get my glasses on. I like that they're colored. I like that a lot. So this is just a lot of greetings. So very happy for you. You make me smile. You're such a blessing. Sending lots of love to you. You're amazing. You make a difference. Dear, sweet, wonderful you. Love that one. So lots of greetings. I do like how they're colored. It makes them a little bit easier to see. Let's go on this stamp set. And find the opening here. This one's just adorable. Look at that monkey. That's why I got it, because of that monkey. It's a jungle out there, wild and free. Be a flamingo and a flock of pigeons. So what I love most about this crazy life is the adventure of it. And we have elephant, a lizard, of course the monkey, the flamingo, and some parrots. Leaves, a little bit of greenery. Really, really cute. All right, then we have this stamp set. Let's open this one up. And this one is all about dogs. How cute is that, right? So we have a dog house, a dog bag. Love, paw prints, life is better with a dog. You are a lucky dog. And then all the little things here, little fire hydrant, brush, bone, shampoo. Of course, the 4 dogs as well. Love that one. That's really, really cute. All right, then we have this one. This one came with a framelit. Let's find the opening here first. And I do like, again, I like how they're colored. This is my first time with BeeBeeCraft, so I don't know if they're good stamps or what the quality is, but I love, oh my gosh, look at those monsters. Heavy screaming, good time, monster hugs. Do you see that one? Really, really cute. All right, then this, I guess, is the framelits that go with that. Let's open these up. That's the hardest part sometimes. Yeah, you get a lot of framelits. Look at them. Look at that. All the framelits you get for that. So it looks like every single image here has a coordinating framelit that goes with it. Love that. Yep. Yeah, that goes right up top of there. Alright, so we're definitely going to have to try those out. So that was one. This is another one. Let me open this one up. This one might have a name on it. I don't see a name on it. Again, I'll have all this listed below, but this is butterflies. I love butterflies, and I loved all the greetings. I mean, there's a greeting for pretty much everything. Happy Mother's Day, Father's Day, welcome to the world, so a new baby, get well soon. My friend, butterfly wishes, sending hugs and kisses. You are my happy birthday, miss you. Love that. And then we have the framelits that go with these as well. Again, let me find the opening. So it looks like we have the framelits for to fit all the greetings, and then also the butterflies. I'm not sure what this one's for. This one here. Maybe it's just a shape to put in. Yeah, that's probably what that is. Yeah, that's just a shape to do like this one, how it's bigger. So you have that one, you have this shape here, then we have the butterflies, and then just love that. And you can see they're really nicely decorated as well. They're not just plain. This one has a little scallop edge. This is like a little arrow, more of a scallop edge here. Love that one. All right, then last we have this one, this framelit. And this is, I don't remember. Oh, it's a 2-piece one. Okay, this is, oh, I think this is 2 separate ones, I think. I think this is just ornamental, I believe. It's hard to read these backwards. Looks like it says hello, love. Yeah, okay, so I remember what this is. A tree, then we have all these hearts. So you can, and stars. And a bird. You'll have to look and see what this one was. I'm not sure if this is 2 pieces or if they go together. Something tells me they go together because they were in the same package, but... Alright, so we're going to make a card. Let's see. Do you want to use the monsters? Maybe you make a little monster card? Or the dogs. The dogs are really, really cute. I'm thinking the monsters because we have all the framelits for those. So I'm going to think of what I want to make, come back, and we'll make a project. So I'll see you soon. Alright, I decided to make a card using the monsters. They are just too cute, right? So I'm using this one, and this one, and this one. For the card base, this is all Stampin' Up! Pacific Point, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 to make the card base. 2 pieces of white, they both measure 4 by 5 1/4. Then I have some scraps of cardstock. This is Fleur de Flamingo, Highland Heather, and Granny Apple Green. We're going to go ahead and grab our little critters here. And I'm going to stamp them using my VersaFine ink. This big one's my favorite. I just think he's absolutely adorable. I'm going to ink him up. And I think I'm just going to do him in green. Now the stamps are silicone, but I think they stamp really well. See how cute that is? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go ahead and do the bat monster. And they're just the happiest monsters. I mean, they're just so cute. Alright, and then we have the pink one. We're going to do a little squid looking monster. I thought it'd be easier to stamp them on colored cardstock and then punch them out versus trying to color each one in. You can certainly do that as well. Alright, so I'm going to bring in my donut platform for my Big Shot and my plate. And I'm going to trim these down a little bit. I'm hoping I'm able to do all 3 of these in one shot. Alright, so the framelits are all connected like this. And you'll see some of them, if you can see, some of them have framelits on the inside. Just make sure you save all those. So I already have all these ready to go. Let's first line them up. And I have some washi tape here as well to help me hold them down. Even though I'm using a magnetic platform, sometimes the die will shift. So I'm going to put this one down here and put some washi over that. Help me hold that one down so he's good to go. Then we have the bat one, which is right here. They're pretty easy to line up, I think, but they seem like they're really, really close. They don't really leave a whole lot of image on the outside of it. Just take your time, and we'll see how we're going to do here. I'm going to hold that one down, and then let's do this one. I think it goes this way. Does it go this way? Maybe let's go this way. No, his arms are going up. Has to go this way. Alright, just take your time, kind of wiggle it around a little bit until you see most of it. Okay, and we're going to hold that one down with some washi as well. Alright, and then put this on top, and we're going to run it through our Big Shot. Now, these are small enough. If you have the diamond press, the original one that HSN first launched, they'll fit through there nicely as well. I used to have it. I gave it to my grandson because I had the Big Shot and I didn't really use the other one. Alright, let's see how we do with these guys. Oh, this one popped right out. Okay, let's grab this one right there, and then our green guy right here. So, oh my gosh, they are absolutely adorable. I can see myself using this a lot. I have grandsons, so they'll be getting a lot of cards using these little monsters. I'm just taking the tape off my framelit so I can set them aside so I don't lose them. Alright, and I'll show you guys how cute these are. Look. Oh my gosh. With the heart, are you kidding me? Then we have that one, little Squidward looking thing, and then the bat. Right? So, so cute. Alright, so we have those. Let's go ahead and grab our card base. And what I want to do is I'm going to put my white down here, and I'm going to pop all these up. Each one of these guys. I think I'll have the bigger one in the middle. Just like that, with the greeting across the top. So, we have the greeting that says, have a screaming good time. And we also have Boo, hey little monster, monster hugs, eek. So I think on the little paw prints, I'm going to do that on the inside. So let me put that on the block so we can use that for the inside of the card. Alright, so I think I'm going to do have a screaming good time. And I might change my mind on my layout. So let me think about this one. Alright, what if we go like this? Okay, that way it fills the card more. I think I'm going to go that route. I'm just going to stamp this up. I'm using Pacific Point ink from Stampin' Up. Ink that up. And make sure I'm going the right way. And I'm going to bring it down toward me first so I can see it. Hopefully my head's not in the window in the thing. Oh, that's stamped nicely. So even though they're silicone stamps, you know, we're all used to photopolymer, I think they're stamping really, really well. Alright, while we're here, let's go ahead and grab the little paw print for the inside of the card, just to bring something to that. Oh, look. I'm grinning ear to ear. I absolutely love this stamp set. You know, I also like the dog one and the butterfly one, but so far, this is my favorite. Alright, let's go ahead and adhere all this down. Make sure your card's going the right way. Let's grab our advanced tape glider. I might even put some gems on these guys too. Let's see. Oh, okay. So our greetings at the top. Oh, I love that. All right, let's grab some foam squares. And that's the inside. We're going to go ahead and flip all these guys over. Put some foam squares on them. I think probably 2 per monster. I think will be good. Alrighty. So now we just got to figure out how we want them to go. I'm thinking like that, right? So I'm going to take the backings off and then we'll grab some gems and see if we want to put them on the card. Alright, and then this one right here. Alrighty, we have that one there. Oh my gosh. Oh, love them. Okay, now let's put this on the inside. Okay, that's going to go right there. Alright, now we have some gems. I showed you these before. I got these from HSN. I think I might just do maybe 2 down here and 1 up there, just to give a little bit of character. I'm looking to see if I have a blue that would match my cardstock. I like how they're all in a book like this. If I can't find blue, I'll just use I think if I can't find the blue, I'm going to use just a gold color or a silver color. Or we'll go with white. So right there is like a clear color. I'm going to go with silver. Let's take these out of the package. I absolutely love these. You get so many in there, plus they're all organized, you know. Alright, so we're going to put... Should we go with the big ones? I'm thinking the big ones. Let's do the big ones. So we're going to do 1. Actually, I'm going to take that off. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to kind of go scattery. I was going to go all different, but take that one off and put this one up here. Right? How cute is that card, right? Just a little bit of bling on it. Then we have the inside with the little paw prints, which are absolutely adorable. So yeah, this is from BeeBeeCrafts. I will have everything listed below for you guys. All the links. I will have this one first, as well as all the other framelits and stamps I showed you. So next time, I think we're going to make a dog card, because I think that's just, I do like how they're all colored, so it makes it see in the images really nicely. Then we have the monkey one. And all the greetings. I love all these. I mean, there are so many different greetings on there. And then we have the butterflies with the matching framelits for that as well. So you can do all the greetings, all the butterflies. So lots of ideas, but there's today's card. Right? Really plain, but super cute. Any questions, guys, let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.